Welcome. Today we will be hooking up a Speed Queen green LED stack dryer. Before you start, make sure you power down the machine. You can see this when the LEDs are not showing on the display. Begin by opening the coin box. And reveal the wiring inside. After confirming that the machine is powered off, unplug the CoinMech plug and insert the Laundry Boss plug in line.
There are two gray wires coming from the service door switch. Choose the gray wire that goes to the board. That will be this one. And place
a tap on this wire.
A tap on the wire, rotating it around to ensure a good connection. Make sure it slides up and down easily. Then feed your black wire.
Into
the red crimp tab.
Make sure it comes into the tab.
You want it to go inside until it stops,
coming out the other end.
but that it doesn't come out the other end.
Crimp the tab until the bar is flush.
Squeeze this until it is flush. And close the lid.
Tab. These models use a 4-pin connector to provide 24 AC to the board. Here you'll find the hot wire and the ground. Proceed to move this plug from the board. For easier access, place a red crimp tab on each of the wires. In the front jamb, unwind your Laundry Boss harness wires until the red and black wire are separate. Red wire on the red and blue cable. This will be your 24-volt AC power. Crimp this down, making sure it is flush, and then making sure the wire is in but not through the tap. Close the tap. Then proceed to do it with the black wire, placing it in the tap, crimping it down, and it is secure. And close the tap. Then proceed to plug your AC power back into the board. Then proceed to connect the MIB to the 24-pin connector. Then place the MIB inside of the machine. Finish by tying up your wires. And close the machine.